Oh, Aring Utay, balita ko, birthday mo daw. Yung, happy birthday nga pala sa iyo. And sana maging masaya ka sa iyong kaarawan ngayong araw na ito. At wish ko ay maging masaya ka at maging malakas ang iyong pangangatawan. Ayan. Tsaka pala, marami mang gustong bumati sa iyo. Hanggang dito na lang. At mayroon pang babado sa mga tropa natin. At eto sila. Okay. Happy birthday ulit.
Birthday mo daw, kapatid! Happy birthday sa'yo! Mag-ingat ka parati, putang ina mo ka! Mahalin mo ang buhay mo at ayusin mo ang iyong sarili nang marating mo ang pangarap mo. Kung hindi mo gagawin ang pagtitino, putang ina mo ka! Ito na ang huling birthday mo. Putang ina mo, birthday mo raw.
Greetings!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hi! Happy birthday! Isang alamat sa Cornel. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Maligayang kaarawan. I love you.
Ready? Let's go.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday ko.
Toy, happy birthday. Gaya nga nung sinabi mo na mahalin mo ang buhay mo. Tsaka yun. Happy birthday, Joy.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Wala na akong masasabi sa'yo dahil nasa iyo na ang lahat. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Love you, tol.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagsa-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday ha! At you make sure na mag-ingat ka.
Happy birthday to you. More birthdays to come, more blessing and good health to you. Love you. Hope I can see you soon. Ingat.
Happy birthday. Mag-ingat ka parate. God bless. I hope to see you soon and enjoy your birthday. Bye!
Happy birthday. I'm wishing you all the best. And syempre, huwag mo kalimutan magdasal kay Lord. And ingat ka palagi and God bless.
I would like to greet you a very happy birthday. I am forever grateful. Enjoy this day with your family and loved ones, and may you live for 1,000 years. Happy birthday.